Welcome to another video, Walk on the Wild Side, and I'm here in Blackpool. I am just opposite the pleasure beach here. Thursday, it's around about 2 p.m. and just look at this now. We're at the loop here for the heritage trams, illuminations trams as well. Just look at this now, we've got a parade happening today here in Blackpool. And this is where it's going to start, right here. So I've come here just to show you the trams here. And then I'm going to head up to the tower, I think, and because that's where they're going to go. They're going to head up to the tower, so I thought I'd nip down here and show them first. We've got Bolton Corporation there, special car. I think that's number 66. And then we've got the Fisherman's Friend trawler. I think there's 10 trams altogether. We've got this one here, 648. Yeah, looks a bit like a train, that one, doesn't it? And 680 over here. Not sure what type of tram that is. It might be a trailer tram, is it? No, I'm not too sure if it's linked. No, it's not linked to the one in front. And Balloon 717. I like that one, Balloon 717. Look at that. That was the last one to come into the fleet here today. Just over here we've got that's HMS Blackpool there. Doesn't it look strange when you see them during the day, not lit up? Yeah.
Right.
How you doing? All right.
One of you walks.
Yeah. I'm doing this quickly because I've got to get to the tower, so I'm just filming. I don't know. Probably the Great Western one, maybe. I'm not too sure. Just round here, we've got the Great Western train tram. Yeah. The Great Western train tram here again. Doesn't it look weird to see this tram during the day, you know, when it's not lit up? Ah, but look at all these people here, isn't it amazing, eh? The tram parade, yeah? 10 trams, all going to be doing a parade up the Promenade today for the Jubilee. Thursday, the 2nd of June. And look at this one now, we've got loads of people here, of course. I'll just quickly show you around. We've got the pleasure beach over the road, of course, just across from Ripley's there. Roller coasters going. So look at all these people here. Look at this open boat tram here, isn't it awesome? Look at it. Isn't that amazing? 2 open boats. You've got the red one, the Charlie Caroli. So that's the Charlie Caroli there. Look, that's dedicated to Charlie Caroli. Over here we've got the Duchess of Cornwall. I think I showed that on my tram town. Yeah, just look at all these people, isn't it amazing? This one here is number 631. Wow, this is amazing. So there you go, we've had a good look round and just giving you an idea of what it's like here. This is going to be where the parade starts. Look at all these people, isn't it amazing? Oh, we've got another one coming in. We've got another balloon tram coming in. Just up here, look. Look at this. Just when I thought we had them all. Amazing. Yeah, here comes another one now. This might be the last one. Is this the last one coming in? There we go. There you are. How about that, eh? Yeah, it's all happening here in Blackpool with the tram parade. I'll just give you one last look. I think there's another one coming. Oh, there's another one coming. There is another one coming. It's a decker. I'll just show you one last one. Here we go. I'm going to have to move from here soon because I won't be able to get out of this car park if I don't. Yeah. There's a decker coming, it's one of the more modern ones. A bit like a bus really, on a tram track. But here we go, I'll just show you that one and then I'll head off. Yeah, look at this. Look at all these people. Yeah. How are you doing? You alright? Are you? Where you from? Yeah, you're not too far away then, yeah? Because whenever I see people, I always ask them where you're from because never know. Alright, yeah. Well, I see people from all over the place, you know.
My brother lives in Cornwall and he follows your time.
Good. So there you go, that's all the trams here now. I think they're all here now. Yeah, and I'm going to head off now and see if I can catch them doing the parade. Okay, so I'm now back at the Promenade. I'm here at Central, just in front of Central Pit, just coming onto the Promenade now. So I'll bring you a bit of the atmosphere. It is absolutely buzzing here right now. Just look at this. I'm going to see if I can head off this tram parade. Just look at all these people here. Wow. Central Pit. It is absolutely manic here at the moment. Just look at this. It's gone a bit cloudy as well, but it's warm though. It's one of the warmest days of the year. And I head across, see if we can get across here. Oh, look at all these people. So we're awaiting the tram parade. I'm going to head a bit further north towards the tower, because that's where they're going to go to and stop. I think they're going to go a bit further, but they're going to stop at the tower and we'll see if we can see them, shall we? Won't be too long now. Oh, but look at all these people. Oh, look at the crowds. It is incredible. There's the tower there, of course. The seat pods are standing up straight because there's no wind today. Amazing. There's a police car down here, but I think they're just on showing the kids around.
Where you going?
Police tack ups. Yeah. It's all going on here in Blackpool today on the first day of the Jubilee weekend. Thursday. Yeah. It's nice and sunny this morning, but it's gone cloudy now. But at least it's not going to chuck it down. That's the main thing. Wow. So I'm going to head a bit closer to the tower and then we'll wait for the trams to arrive, shall we? You might be able to see the tower behind me there, and this is about as close as I can really get. And they're going to be coming along any minute now, so I've got a pretty good spot here, but I think it's going to be really, really busy up there. But they're coming now. Let's turn the camera around and see them. Here they come now. Oh, look at all these people. Here come the trams. They've got the red one, the Charlie Caroli's leading the way. Look at this. I'm going to get dive bombed here by seagulls, look at this. Oh, here we go. This is the first one, the Charlie Caroli. Everybody's moving towards it. Yeah, look at this. Amazing. The tram parade here in Blackpool on the first day of Jubilee weekend. Here we go. And there you go, there's the first one, that's Charlie Caroli. Everybody's got the flag on there. It's going to head towards the tower and it's going to stop in front of the tower. Yeah, there you go. There's a little look around. See, it's really, really buzzing here in Blackpool today. And now we've got the next tram. Green one, the green open boat. Number 600. If you watch my Tram Town video that I did, it was back end of last year, wasn't it? You'll be able to see some of these trams on that video there. I had a look around the depot there where they keep them all, and please check that video out. Look at this. That's the Duchess of Cornwall, that one. Yeah. There you go. Okay, here's the next one. 631. Single decker.
He beats to get people off the track, that's what he does here.
Loads of people on the track. Yeah. There you go. I don't know if it's got a name, this one, but Reginald Dixon. There you go. Reginald Dixon. That was number 3. Heading towards the tower. Here comes number 4, another single decker. Number 680, this one. Again, if you want to find out more about these trams, you can watch my Tram Town video. I'll put a link to it at the end of this. This one's coming now. This is one of those that looks a bit like a train to me, kind of a modern looking tram. I don't think we're very well received these. Number 648. Is it a metro tram? I'm not too sure. There you go. It's a historic tram anyway. But one of the many in the fleet at Tram Town. And now then we've got the Great Western Train Tram coming now. I said before, this one looks really strange to see it during the day, because you normally see this at night all lit up. It looks spectacular lit up. So we're now getting to see it during the day. Great Western Train Tram. We've got all the illuminated trams out today. The next one is the Fisherman's Friend Trawler Tram. I didn't see this out too often last year, actually. This is the one that's lit up in LEDs and has all that fancy display going on. Yeah, it looks spectacular, isn't it, this one? Yeah. There you go. Fisherman's Friend, obviously made up in Fleetwood. Can watch my Fleetwood video. See the factory on there, on part 3. This is HMS Blackpool. We've got some real classics coming now. We've got one of the, I think, is it a standard? Number 66, Bolton Corporation. This is the one we saw just before at the start. There's another standard car, it's standard 148, I think, I'm not too sure, but this is number 66. Look this tram. That's a nice tram, isn't it? Look at that. That is a really, really nice tram. And not far behind that is Balloon 717. Balloon 717. Amazing to see all these people, isn't it? Look at this.
Candy floss!
Candy floss. Come and get your candy floss. Sophie night, you can go. Sophie night.
Sophie! Candy floss!
Candy floss.
Candy floss.
Candy floss.
Candy floss.
Candy floss. Come and get your candy floss. Some people are taking advantage of the crowds, selling candy floss. Yeah, the atmosphere is amazing. We've got another classic balloon tram now, Balloon 723. In the classic colours of Blackpool Transport, green and cream. I don't think I've seen that one out before. I'm not sure if it's been out for a while, this one. Looks like it's had a fresh paint job by the look of it. Yeah, that's Balloon 723. Oh yeah.
Neil, who's travelled up quite a long way, and he always watches our videos.
Balloon 700. I'm just explaining this tram here. I've just bumped into Colin. Seaside Colin. Be sure to follow. Oh, hang on. Be sure to follow Seaside Colin on YouTube. Blackpool's #1. Yeah.
So pleased to see you, Steve.
Yeah. This one's number 707. We saw that one down there actually. I saw them all down there before. So I think this is the last one now. Yeah. There you go. This is the last one. That was the last one to join the parade at the other end. But yeah, we just met Colin there. Just bumped into Colin. So give Colin a follow. Just got a shout off someone there. Was that someone on the tram? Someone shouted at me from the tram there then. Yeah, so give Seaside Colin a follow and let him know that I sent you. So there you go, that's it. That's the whole parade. Yeah, so that was the end of the parade, and I'm just filming back now just to give you an idea of the crowds. It's absolutely amazing to see all these people here in Blackpool for the Jubilee weekend, the first day. Seems a bit strange, a Thursday bank holiday, but I'm just going to make my way up here now and we'll have a look at all the trams. Hopefully they're all stopped here now. I'm not sure if they're going to go any further, but this is where they were due to stop. I'm not sure how the other trams go, you know, how do the normal trams get on? Well, they're all stopped here. I'm not sure really. I don't know, I'm trying to find my way through the crowds here. It's not easy to walk along here dodging all these people. Yeah, look at this. Never seen anything like this. It's amazing, isn't it? Just almost at the comedy carpet now. There's so many people. It's amazing. Yeah, it's amazing to see Blackpool like this with all these people after the last couple of years. All the problems. There you go. Hiya. Oh, it's taking forever to get through here. I'll see if I can get to the comedy carpet and I'll come back on again. Okay, so here's a look from the other side. We can see them all. I think there's 13 altogether going right back there. They've got some music on the other side. We might have a bit of a concert. We've got a stage set up here. Yeah, we've got a special set up here on the comedy carpet. So here's a look at the trams from the other side. Yeah, I think I can count 13 altogether. So there you go. Here's how it looks from the other side of the Promenade, the foot of the Blackpool Tower. Okay, I'm just going to give you a quick pan now. I'll just come slightly past the comedy carpet and I'll give you a look from this side. We can see the whole set of trams on here. We can see all the people here. Absolutely packed here at the comedy carpet. They've got seating out so people can eat and drink here on the comedy carpet. They've got a stage up there. They've got music going. It's all happening here in Blackpool. And what weather we've got for it today as well. Yeah. And over here we've got these huts over here which they had out for Christmas, but they brought them back out again for this, for Jubilee weekend. So you see, you get something to eat over there at the huts. So there you go. Here's a look all the way around. As you can see, it's absolutely packed. So there you go. That was the tram parade here on Jubilee weekend here in Blackpool. The classic Blackpool trams. I think there were 13 altogether, wasn't it? Absolutely amazing. And what about all those people? Anyway, check out my Tram Town video if you want to learn more about the classic trams. Anyway, I hope you like this video. If you do, hit the like button and also hit subscribe and tick the bell for notifications of new videos. And I will see you again on the next one.